This product you are watching now is the newest popular, fashionable, good-looking and convenient underwater video camera system. It not only has a large and color screen, but also has a high-definition camera which has 1000 TV lines. There are high-power lights for camera light source. The camera light source can adjustable. DVR recording function. 9 inches larger color monitor. The image display more realistic and delicate. 9-inch TFT color monitor with removable sun visor ideal for bright environments. 1000 TVL camera with 12 PCS infrared LEDs. Specially manufactured 1000 TVL program chip and 12 PCS IR LED lights. Fishes will be seen more clearly in the dark environment. Please note, the image will turn to black and white if you open the infrared light. DVR recording function. 8 GB TF card included. You can record the underwater landscapes as you want. With 50 meters long cable, you can find more fishes in the depth sea or lake, especially fit for ice fishing. Special fish shape and silver color design. This unique design will not disturb the fish. It can lure the fish close to